So how do you paint on NotPixel, or how do you mine NotPixel? It is quite simple. I want to show you step by step on how to paint on NotPixel. So it is actually easy. The first thing you want to do is just click on the dashboard. If you click, you will see your energy. Those energy will be between 5 life or 6 life. If you use all your energy, you will have to wait another more time to get more energy. So you can see minus is for zooming out, plus is for zooming. If you click on plus or just zoom with your hands, you will see that you can zoom. So let me zoom out. So let's go to the Notcoin part. Let's come here to Notcoin. If you zoom into the Notcoin, you'll see the label Notcoin. And if you want to paint this part, you just click on it. You can see a box like close box. That box, you'll be able to choose your color. You can be able to choose if you want to paint with red. You just click on that box, you can see, then click paint. You can use one box is equals to one paint. So after you paint with one box, you can go change until your life energy is finished. After painting that, you will realize that your px, as you paint, your px is being added. 2px, 1px, 1.5px. As you paint, your px increases. So that is how that is how to paint on NotPixel. It is very simple, and this project will be huge. So now they have almost 10 million users. You can see people have already started painting. So many people are painting. You can just choose anywhere you want to paint. Painting is just clicking on the box and just click paint. Click paint. So if you want to add more life to your dashboard, or you want to get more life, click on your pixel dash balance. When you click on your px balance, you will see your dashboard. Also guys, you can see you are currently mining more px. So what you want to do is claim those px every time. So also guys, the other thing you want to do is do this task: paint pixel for 20 times, invite friends, join squad. You can invite just 3 friends. So when you want to mine more px, you can see guys, you can use this boost method. You can just boost yourself up to level 100. Don't go beyond level 100 if you have less px. Just maximize how you use your px. So guys, that is very simple on how to paint. This project is very simple. So guys, the another project that I will advise you guys to join that is actually easy, it is the Binance Moonbit bot. If you have joined NotPixel, join Binance Moonbit bot. This project is from Binance, and Binance have given an announcement, and they have said it is their project. You can see guys, this project is for playing a small game. You just click on play game. When you click on play game, the guys, as you can see, that part, you that space shuttle, if you click on this way, like you have to direct it where it will click. So you have to direct it where, so that you can collect this box and this Moonbix coins. So if you click on the stone, you will not be able to collect anything. You can see you have to direct it. Sometimes it has a problem because there are too many users, but you can do this as much as possible so that you can collect. You can see you have 6 attempts left. Make sure to do those all attempts every time. Just click after every 1 hour. So guys, you have the two huge project that you should join: Moonbix and Moonbix and NotPixel. These two projects will be huge. I hope this video was helpful. You have known how to play both NotPixel and Moonbix. So guys, comment below if you understood the video, and help me understand more about if you didn't understand. So guys, all the links will be in the description. Go and join this project.